Nearly a year after Hurricane Helene, a Vietnam veteran who lost his home, is finally getting some relief.
Our Nate Stanley introduces us to him and the network of people helping.
I says, "What's a frog man?" And he said, "Well, they parachute and scuba dive and blow stuff up and do a lot of shooting and stuff." I says, "I want to be a frog man."
David Hostetter's commitment to service is palpable.
I was the only volunteer that would volunteer. Everybody was told, don't volunteer for anything. You know, we don't have any fun if you don't volunteer.
The 80-year-old served 3 times in Vietnam.
But then during Vietnam, my second tour, I was stabbed and died on the operating table. Had a great out-of-body experience.
Now he faces another life hurdle. Hurricane Helene's flooding ruined his home.
Everything just floated, you know.
And washed away his driveway.
Looked at it a little bit and I figured I'm going to try to get by here. So I put my wheel in the ditch on the right and went past it.
David, who was once a selfless volunteer in Vietnam, is now the recipient of that same volunteer spirit as crews from around western North Carolina are here repairing his road.
And we're going to bench back up and bring fill dirt and gravel and rock back in to build that whole side of the mountain back.
Rodney Cole with the Paying It Forward Network is now working with other volunteers.
Helene Rising, which is Jacob. Jacob reached out to Appalachian United Initiative and Bat Cave Disaster Relief, and we all came together.
And I can't explain how grateful I am. I just don't have words for it. But I'm grateful.